What's up, guys? It's John here from Magic Hour Outdoors. We got Adam.
What's up?
We got Hunter behind the camera from Siler Outdoors. We're at the mountain house. We got some white lightning tannerite. It's 22 like LR tannerite, so it's little. And we got 2 pounds of the normal stuff. So we're gonna have a little range day, have some fun. We got some 9mm, some 308, some 12 gauge, some 22. It's gonna be a good time. So let's get this stuff set up. All right, guys. So we got all the white lightnings mixed up. We're gonna go set them up and shoot them. See you there. Alright, guys, we got this Ruger single 6 single action 22. I'm gonna start shooting some tanner right here. I'm going for that one on the tree to the right there, that far one. Anybody see where that hit?
Nope.
No.
Uh-oh.
This fucking horse shit.
This is gonna take a while. Alright, so we're gonna try the 9mm and see if these blow it up. I don't know if it's gonna be too much or whatever, but let's try it out. It just powdered. I don't know.
Go for that one on the stump there. You said you aimed right on it?
Right on it.
Oh, you gotta hit it right.
There's one right here.
Yeah, I jumped there. Need to record.
So we got all of the rimfire targets stacked together and taped, and we're gonna shoot it with the 9mm. Hopefully this isn't a waste of money and it explodes, but it's gonna be pretty big if
Here,
it
step
does.
in front of me so I can see those. You're good right there.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Left.
Woo! Hell yeah! Woo! Okay, you didn't bring that.
308, 1 pound of tannerite in the crook of that tree. I gotta stand up to do it.
That's not a good idea.
Ready?
Sure. The fucking jug's in the tree.
Where? Where?
It's hanging in the tree to the left. See the branch kind of shaking?
No.
Bro, it's in the
Oh,
tree.
I can't see it. I have a bad eye.
It's in between the
tree.
two trees. You know where I shot that one off of earlier? There's my two off to the right of the big tree next to it.
We'll have to walk down and I'll show you.
We gotta walk down and set the other ones up anyway.
There's liquid all over the rock. It's all over your GoPro.
Dude, hell yeah. And look where the other jug is.
Bro. It's gonna have a cool video. It's gonna be flying like towards it. And the other piece is right here.
Are we blowing these up in the same spot?
Dude, it's soaked.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, dude. Look at that.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, same spot. Blow it open.
You ready?
Ready.
I ain't. Left.
Woo!
That's what we like to call right on the motherfucking titties.
Did you aim right on or have you
Yes.
been moving? Okay.
All right, guys. Hope you had a good time watching. We had a good time filming it. So, see you guys next time. Peace.